Hello everyone, if your ear speaker on the iPhone is not working properly, then here are some methods to fix it. Okay, let's see it one by one. So what you're going to do is, first of all, go to the settings of your iPhone. Now scroll down till you find accessibility. You need to tap on that one. Now again here you need to scroll down and click on hearing devices under hearing. So you need to tap here. Now once you're here, you can see one option only, that is hearing aid compatibility, which improves the audio quality with some hearing aids. So what you're going to do is simply turn this thing on and click on OK at the bottom. Okay, now you can go and check whether your speaker is started working properly again or not. So if it hasn't started working properly, then the next thing what you can do is again go to the settings of your iPhone, then go to the Bluetooth here and make sure that the Bluetooth is not connected to any other device. It simply interferes with the ear speaker, and if it is connected to some other audio listening device, then of course it won't be your speaker won't be working properly. So you need to simply turn this thing off. Okay, now again you need to go and check whether it has started working properly or not. If turning off the Bluetooth didn't fix the problem, then you can try the method number 3 here. You need to go to the settings of your iPhone again. Then again you need to go to the accessibility here. Tap on that one. Now under physical and motor, you can see the first option, which is touch. You need to tap on that one. Again scroll down till the bottom and you will be able to see one of the options as call audio routing. Okay, so what you're going to do is simply tap on this one. Now it is set to automatic. You need to click on speaker here. Alright, so once you do this, again check whether your ear speaker is started working or not. So the fourth thing that you can do is simply take up a brush and clean the ear speaker on your iPhone. The dirt sometimes gets there and it won't allow the volume to come out of it. Okay, so you will hear it very slowly. So you need to simply clean out the dirt from the speaker. Okay, last but not least, if nothing is working out of all these problems, then you need to go to settings here and then find the general tab, general option. Okay, tap on that one, then scroll down till the bottom and click on the second last option, which is transfer or reset iPhone. Now again click on reset. Now you need to reset all settings here. Okay, simply tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode here. Okay, now once you click on reset all settings, your iPhone will restart and it will reset all settings, and then you can check whether your ear speaker has started working properly or not. So these are all the things that you can do to fix your ear speaker on your iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.